Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, opening up the trunk, got a clean set of floor mats, pull down rear seats, power liftgate, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 29,278 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.